Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about the movement of electrons in an electrical conductor. How how the electrons flow uh, in a conductor. Now think about this as a piece of metal. When it is not connected to any external power source like a battery or anything, then the electrons which not generally freely moves in a metal or a conductor will be moving in all possible direction in randomly. So one electron will be moving south, one will be moving west. There will be no proper movement of electrons. They will be moving in random. But when it is connected to an external power source like a battery, then electrons will be completely aligned. All the electrons will be aligned and they will be all moving towards the positive electrode. So that makes the flow of current possible. So the direction of electron flow is from the negative to the positive, as I am showing in the top. Direction of conventional current flow is just the opposite. As a matter of fact, electron never flow in that direction. It is just a conventional flow of current. Now I am going to discuss one more thing called circuit, which is a very important thing, and probably many of you know by now what a circuit is, but let us talk about in a very precise manner. A circuit should have following things. One, it should have a power source, like as I showed here, the battery, the cell. It should have a resistance, like as I showed here, lamp. It should have a on and off switch, and it should have a continuous path which is made of metal wire. So a circuit should have a continuous conducting path, will have a resistance. In this case, in this diagram, the resistance is a lamp, a switch for on and off, and a source of electricity. In this diagram, it is a cell. So these are the four things that are necessary for any electrical circuit. The switch is used to complete the circuit or to cut off the circuit. When this is open, as I showed here, this is the off position of the switch. That means circuit is not complete. It is a broken circuit. When you complete the circuit, when you close the switch, this broken line, this will be shown in a different way. I will show it now how it is shown. So remember the four components of a circuit. You should remember this. Okay, this is how when the switch is open, and this is when the switch is closed. So this is open, and this is when the switch is closed. So remember the four components of an electric circuit. You can stop the video if you want.